Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today I want to talk about this Gatling grooming kit that was sent to me by the company. Simply just do an open boxing. So if you're looking for a grooming kit for the face, hair, and body, or want to give it as a gift, then this may be a way to go. This is under $60 plus additional discounts, and I'll put the link, my referral link, in the description as well as in the comment section so you could check out the latest promotions. So with the holiday season, this may make a great gift for somebody. So there you go, that is the box, and let's go ahead and dive in. So this is a hard shell case. It's nicely done there, and you've got a little handle. And let's get it opened up. All right, here we go. So everything is nice and molded, plus you got the additional accessories. And let me go ahead and show you the groomer. And so this is nice. It's plastic. It's got a little bit of a gloss to give it a more premium look. You've got two switches here. You've got your power, that's your on and off, and there it shows the battery level that it's at. And then up here is the switch is for adjusting the trimmer to move it closer or further back. And then you've got your charging port down below. Then to switch the different trimmers, you just pop this off, and then you can easily just pop another one on, and that should lock in as I get that. There you go. And so that makes it nice and easy. So let's talk about the different trimmers. So this first one that it comes with is the full-size trimmer for the face. And that is that one there. Then the next one here, this one is also for the face. This is a shaver. So there you go. Then next up here, this is for the hair. And this is the T-blade trimmer. So that will give you an idea there. This next one here, actually, we're gonna move down to this one. This is the body. That is the body trimmer. Then next up we've got for the nose hairs. Nothing like getting a good cleaning of those nose hairs. And then lastly, we've got the precision detailer. So that is, again, this is the precision detailer. Then we've got here, you've got your USB charging cable, and inside there is, let's see, I have not opened this part up, but let's see what comb. It does have a comb in here that I see for touching up on the side for shortening for the hair. So it's an adjustable guard there. So that is what that is for. And then you've got here, again, you've got your power cable. Then we also have the lubrication with a brush for cleaning. And then the last part here are the different combs. 4 guards, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So there you go. So that is everything that's in the kit. Looks like it should cover all your bases. You've got other user manual information there. But do check it out. Nice kit. I think it really covers pretty much most for what people need to do. Again, for shaving your face, also for your hair and your body. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.